So in his speech yesterday, the president actually did basically address the Florida Stand Your Ground laws. Let's play what he had to say.
I just ask people to consider, if Trayvon Martin was of age and armed, could he have stood his ground on that sidewalk? And do we actually think that he would have been justified in shooting Mr. Zimmerman, who had followed him in a car, because he felt threatened? And if the answer to that question is at least ambiguous, then it seems to me that we might want to examine those kinds of laws.
So, I mean, I guess I take this as sort of, this is a classic demonstration. I mean, this would be the bully pulpit. There's no, sort of federal action that's on the table here in terms of stand your ground laws. This is sort of about, should states, be adopting these in the future? Should states maybe be taking stand your ground laws off the books? It also struck me, at least listening to it, some of the wording there was very almost equivocal. We might think about, he sort of, as a president maybe who kind of after 5 years understands the limits of the bully pulpit.
I think stand your ground it's important to fight these laws. They're lousy laws, but that's just one of many issues that need to be dealt with if we're talking about race. I mean, right here in New York, you've got the stop and frisk thing, which is an abomination. It's just the ritualized humiliation of young black men and boys and sometimes girls. But also, the real problems in these areas have to do with employment discrimination, housing discrimination, what goes on in the schools that black kids attend, where they're cutting budgets and they're firing teachers and getting rid of programs and stuff. If you look at the economic situation of black people in the country, they're completely at the bottom of the heap, while at the same time that we're talking about so much progress over the last half century. And these are the issues that need to be engaged forcefully, in my view, militantly, and these are the issues that we are not confronting.